Indian Helicopter-Launched Standoff Anti-Tank (SANT) Missile. India's Defence Research and Development Organisation (DRDO) and Indian Air Force (IAF) flight tested the indigenously developed Helicopter-Launched Standoff Anti-Tank (SANT) missile from Pokhran ranges on December 11. The flight test was successful in meeting all its mission objectives. The release mechanism, advanced guidance and tracking algorithms, all avionics with integrated software, performed satisfactorily and tracking systems monitored all mission events. The SANT weapon can neutralize targets in a range up to 10 kilometers. The missile has been designed and developed by Research Centre Imarat, RCI, Hyderabad in coordination with other DRDO labs and participation from industries. This is the third in the series of indigenous standoff weapons to be tested in recent times after long-range bomb and smart anti-airfield weapon for strengthening the arsenal of IAF.